What's up, YouTube? As promised. Ugh. Take you through the woods right now. Oh, there's no fucking cars on the road. Do not like. Oh god, my feet are killing me, guys. Downloaded a lot of music. I'm listening to music all damn day. And dancing. Now I just want to relax in my house. Almost done. I gotta get the laundry down. Didn't know I was having viewers. Otherwise, I would have got the laundry down. No. Those all stay. Those are my cleaning rags. Still damp. Shit. Leave it sit there then. What's this? What? Yeah. This is gonna be my shower. Right now it's a cleaning supply shed. Where's my key? Hold on, guys. Hold on. There it is. That should sit there for a moment. I'll take that trash to the landfill too. Now, in the food pantry. Oh, some expired babes. My regular. And there's my unconventional way of storing clothes. Put my sunglasses are gonna put on. More cleaning supplies down there, screwdrivers. I put the doorknob on, obviously. The dumbass just forgot to lock it. There's my makeshift bed. Ceiling fan. I decorated it. Fake window. Little ghost to make the place haunted. Spiderwebs. Covering the bulletin board. I did that. That's gonna be Golden Girls. Fuck that Paw Patrol bullshit right now. Or Desperate Housewives. Haven't decided. Right now, I know what I'm doing. Filling up my water. Crunching some noodles. And then having my guilty pleasure session. And I'm not telling anyone what it is until I get 1 million subscribers. Gotta go to the park tomorrow and get water. I'm doing that shit tonight. And that with my other water bottle. And now I bid you guys farewell for now. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm exhausted. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, stay golden. I'm getting coffee. Good night.